Uh-oh, here it is. This is the main reason I bought it. So you are gonna see exactly what I'm seeing as soon as I see it. What's going on, and welcome back to my channel, Joe Zaccardelli. I spent $220, including shipping, on this box from Canada. It finally came, a week and a half later, which pretty good turnaround, going through customs and all that. But we got some watchmaker tools in here. The reason I had the opportunity to buy that box was about a year ago. This guy bought all these tools, spent about 300 bucks, posted it, was looking to sell all of it, wanted $200 for it, and he's willing to ship. I figured might as well do an unboxing. So without further ado, please take a minute to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date on what's going on our channel. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I haven't even opened this up. So you are gonna see exactly what I'm seeing as soon as I see it. Now, cross out the labels, information for obvious reasons, and let's go ahead and see what tools that I got from Canada. Kind of convenient doing one video. Package comes in. Uh-oh, see some yellow boxes. All right, take it off camera. All right, first things first. Got some bubble wrap, good packaging. And here we go. Got some pith wood, can never have too much of this stuff. Perfect. Well, good packaging. Okay, we got some hand pushers. Different sizes. If any of you are kind of up on my channel, I don't really use these hand pushers, so they're good hand pushers, but I just got accustomed to the tweezers. Probably gonna have to give those to a buddy here in the future after he helps me out. Ooh, here we go. Got some Horotec, and it looks like some hand removers. Those are nice. All right, next thing. All right, Horotec looks like number 3. Yep. Tweezers, look at that. Those are sharp, believe it or not. They will go through jeans, into the skin and in the leg if you drop them off your desk. How do I know? Because it's happened. All right, next up, the Bergeon Vice, the 4040. The metal one, very nice. Next up, Bergeon cushion. All right, this is the little bit smaller cushion. The one that I'm currently using is a little bit bigger. The one I have, this one's gonna be good for your wristwatches or smaller pocket watches. This one has the foam top, this one has the gel top. Next up is movement holder, parts holder. Package it very well with the original boxes. Yep, I don't have any white ones. Most of the ones that I have are the blue ones that are also Bergeon, but that's nice. You can never have too many of those, especially when you start on projects and you don't quite finish them. And last but not least, uh-oh, here it is. This is the main reason I bought it. I've always wanted to try the ergonomic ones like this, with the tops. Oh, okay, that's just the base. All right, and then you can see the extra blades are in there. And, okay, here are all the screwdrivers. Get these open. Okay, looks like darts. Now, these are a little bit different, and it's all about the tops and how you hold your finger to move it. The ones that I have are these type of tops, and this is like an ergonomic one, so it's easier for your finger to rest on the top, but it's personal preference. I saw them and I'm like, well, I might as well try it out. Tell me what you guys think below. Would you have done the deal? Would you not have done the deal? I think overall it's a solid investment, and some of these things will be put to use in the near future. Biggest difference with these tools is that they're all new. And I usually like to go vintage. I'm happy with the overall purchase of the box. Some of the stuff, yes, I wouldn't have bought, but buying it together as a bulk deal, I'm happy. I really am interested to use the ergonomic ends just to see how it feels. But once again, it's just a preference, and they're great quality screwdrivers, so I can't lose there. Parts holder tray, I know I'm gonna use that. I probably have 7 of them right now in use. And then the movement holder, that 40/40, because honestly, I misplaced mine somewhere and I haven't seen it in a while, so that's gonna get some use too. So out of those couple things, along with that cushion, I think it's a good deal. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Would you have spent the $220 on this box of tools? As always, be on the lookout for mechanical art. The hunt is real. Until next time, see you later. So you are gonna see what I saw. The way I got that box was, now how I got the box was, okay, time to go play with my toys. Yeah.